guys, welcome to my vlog. This is Dikadet Damayo Gidipurji from Best MT3 Section 310 in UC in ETC. And today, I'll going to show you how beautiful the view is at the top of Mount Alijo. By the way guys, this is the Mount of Alijo. Going to climb up to witness the very beautiful view there. So let's go guys. We are here already at the ground of Mount Alijo, and guys, so if you wonder what is that is the tower that source of the signal here in our area. And now let's go. Guys, as you can see, there's a lot of goats here in the pathways. We are now here at the middle of the mountain, and we've decided to take some rest because it is tiresome yet enjoyable but a very hot journey. Guys, we were not able to reach at the peak of the mountain, but we were able to capture the view in where we stopped, and this is it. Thank you for watching guys.